you know, today we are doing view counting. Woo! So I'd be really loud because we might put music in the background to this. So we've just reached 200,000. What am I saying? 2,000! 200 videos, and I've got it right here. Yeah, my video has uploaded. Hope you like my thumbnail and stuff, because if you want to get that thumbnail, download TubeBuddy. Yeah? So download TubeBuddy. So I'm here on our computer. Yeah, this is mostly mine because I always do this stuff. Let's just move my Kindle up there. Let's view count, one of my favourite videos, and that is I'm gonna just reset and I'll see which one changes. So let's reset it and we'll see which one changes. You don't know here, but okay, I'll just tell you what I can see. Okay, so 5 views for my special guest video. She was annoying. She'll be back really soon. My Sweet Test Friday. I've got my more merchandise and I lie to you video. Sorry if I'm not being that loud. The cats are talking. My waffle fan has got 4 views. Cooking with Sunny 8. Let me just tell you all the views. Yeah. And my 5 shout outs, 6 views. Accents 8 views. Disney minifigures 23. My Sunny. My Wow Web Classic 8. Oh my god, the cats are being crazy today. Cooking with Sunny Professional Sandwich 13. First Slimy Saturdays 8 views. Sandwich Challenge Part 2 is 15. Part 1 12. Answers by Tinky the Bug 6. Sweet Dough 3. Pastry Dough 3. Walking down the street 6. Sitting on the toilet special 95. Ninjago 36. Ninjago 20. Ninjago 20. Ninjago 48. Reaction of my old video 9. Aiming challenge with Esme 17. Sunny sing along Minecraft and Blocks 8. Question and answers book by HDBL 9. Ravenclaw Rogue 29 views. Minecraft Series 1 13. Lego Xbox for 11. Creationary is 8. Additional Lego film 3. Amazing Harry Potter wand review 23. Sorry, the cats keep scratching. Looking after kittens 8. Looking after kittens 14. Plans 6. Episode 8, Sunny Sing-Along 7, Christmas 2014 8, Roblox 9, Treasure Cave 12, Christmas 2015 Recap 27, First Roblox 21, Lego Film Characters 7, Channel 4 Working Ravenclaw, which is not my name anymore, 6, Tumbling Down, my last survival was Sunny, which is now cancelled, 16, Room Tour updated 5, Welcome to Working Ravenclaw 5, Sunny Sing Along The Sun 7, All Hasbro Toys, my favourites 4. That was the cats! And yeah, we're going to stop it there at the All Hasbro Toys, my favourites. So if you enjoyed this view count, it wasn't that exciting, but we will do more in a few minutes. No, a few days. So if you enjoyed it, leave a like, please subscribe to me, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.